What's the meaning of cor anglais? Cor anglais. Cor anglais.
Cor anglais. Cor anglais. Cor anglais is a musical term that refers to a woodwind instrument in the oboe family. It is also commonly known as the English horn. The cor anglais is longer than an oboe and has a deeper, mellow sound. It is often used to play expressive and melancholic melodies in symphonic and operatic music. The instrument is played using a double reed, which produces a rich and resonant tone. Overall, the cor anglais serves as an important component of the woodwind section in orchestra and band performances.